Yeah.
I've got this thing so governed down, it's not even funny.
Good. Wow,
I got on
really?
it the first time.
I should have got him going the first time.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if he knew where the brake was when we got it the first time. Hey, TJ.
You knucklehead.
Hey!
You're a mighty fine jumper.
Those Crocs are a little big, aren't they?
Not to me.
Not to you. They fit on your feet. Oh.